In this lesson, we're going to create a revolved cut. Let's start by drawing a sketch on this surface. We right-click on the surface and select Insert Sketch. We're going to go with a normal 2 view. Let's draw a simple shape. We'll select our line tool. And I'll just drag it across the surface. Okay, we're going to close the shape. Let's auto dimension it with the auto dimension tool. Click OK to accept. And exit the sketch. Okay, let's select the revolved cut feature. And select a center line. We can select a number of center lines here, actually. We can also change the direction of the cut. We can choose one direction, change the angle, mid-plane as well, or 2 direction. You can see the change that makes. Now let's choose one direction. Let's click OK. Here we have our cut. It's not all the way through, so let's fix that. Right-click, edit this feature, and let's enter a value of 360 degrees. That'll get it all the way around. When you accept it, you can see now that it is all the way through. That concludes our review of a revolved cut.